Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the best 3D printers you should buy in 2025, covering everything from budget-friendly entry-level machines to professional-grade printers that deliver mind-blowing detail and precision. The 3D printing landscape has evolved dramatically over the past few years, with technology advancing faster than anyone predicted. We're now seeing print speeds that seemed impossible just a year ago, multi-material capabilities that were once restricted to industrial machines, and price points that make high-quality printing accessible to virtually everyone. Whether you're a complete beginner looking to explore the world of 3D printing, a hobbyist wanting to upgrade your setup, or a professional needing production-level quality, there's a printer on this list that's perfect for your needs. We've tested print quality, evaluated ease of use, analyzed feature sets, and compared value propositions to bring you 6 printers that represent the absolute best options in their respective categories. From FDM printers that use filament to create layer-by-layer masterpieces, to resin printers that produce incredibly detailed miniatures and prototypes, we're covering the full spectrum. All links are in the description if you want to check current prices or dive deeper into specifications. Let's get started. Number 6. Prusa Core 1, best for accuracy. Manufacturers' latest evolution in their legendary reputation for reliability, precision, and open-source innovation that has made Prusa Research one of the most respected names in 3D printing. This printer is taking the title of Best for Accuracy because it delivers consistent, repeatable results that professional users demand without the constant troubleshooting and calibration headaches that plague competitors. The Core 1 features Prusa's Core XY motion system, a significant upgrade from their previous bedslinger designs, providing faster print speeds while maintaining the dimensional accuracy Prusa is famous for. The rigid aluminum frame minimizes vibrations and flex during high-speed printing, ensuring your prints maintain tight tolerances even on tall objects. Prusa's automatic bed leveling system uses multiple probe points to create a precise mesh of your build surface, compensating for any minor imperfections and ensuring perfect first layers every single time. The removable, flexible steel sheet with PEI coating provides excellent adhesion during printing and easy part removal once cooled. The build volume offers generous space for most projects while maintaining the precision that makes this printer special. What truly sets the Core 1 apart is Prusa's legendary Prusa Slicer software, arguably the best slicing software available, offering intuitive controls, expert settings for advanced users, and profiles optimized for hundreds of filament types. The printer includes advanced features like input shaping to eliminate ringing artifacts, pressure advance for perfect extrusion, and filament runout detection. The open-source nature means an enormous community constantly developing improvements and sharing solutions. At approximately 1 to 200 to 1,500 depending on configuration, the Prusa Core 1 delivers professional-grade accuracy and reliability that justifies the premium over budget printers, making it ideal for engineers, designers, and serious hobbyists who need prints they can trust. Number 5. Creality K2 Plus Combo. Best Smart Multi-Material represents the future of accessible multi-material printing, bringing capabilities previously restricted to expensive industrial machines down to prosumer pricing, while adding smart features that make complex prints surprisingly manageable. This printer earns the Best Smart Multi-Material title by combining an automatic material switching system with AI-powered features that handle the complexity for you. The K2 Plus features Creality's automated material system that can handle up to 4 different filament types or colors in a single print, opening creative possibilities impossible with single material printers. Imagine printing a model with support material that dissolves away, or creating objects with multiple colors without manual filament changes, or combining flexible and rigid materials in the same print for functional prototypes. The system automatically purges when switching materials, ensures clean transitions, and manages the entire process through intelligent firmware. The AI-powered camera system monitors your prints in real time, detecting common failures like spaghetti prints, layer shifts, or adhesion problems, and can automatically pause or stop the print to save time and material. Remote monitoring through your smartphone means you can check print progress from anywhere. The generous build volume accommodates large projects, while the direct drive extruder with high-flow hot end enables printing at impressive speeds without sacrificing quality. Creality's auto-leveling system ensures perfect first layers across the entire build surface. The enclosed design maintains consistent temperatures crucial for printing engineering materials like ABS, ASA, or nylon that warp easily in open-air printers. The touchscreen interface is intuitive for beginners, while offering advanced controls for experienced users. At approximately $801,000 for the combo package, including the multi-material unit, the K2 Plus delivers capabilities that would cost $2,000 to $3,000 from competitors, making it the smart choice for users wanting to explore multi-material printing. Number 4, Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo, Best for Precision, takes the Best for Precision title by combining high-resolution printing capabilities with stability features that ensure your intricate models come out exactly as designed, making it perfect for miniature enthusiasts, jewelry designers, and anyone creating detailed prototypes. Precision in 3D printing depends on multiple factors: motion system accuracy, hot and consistency, frame rigidity, and calibration reliability, and the Kobra S1 excels in all areas. The direct drive extruder places the motor directly above the hot end, eliminating the flexible Bowden tube that introduces play and inconsistency in filament delivery. This design enables precise control over extrusion, crucial for detailed features and overhangs. The all-metal hot end reaches temperatures up to 300 degrees C, allowing printing of engineering materials while maintaining consistent flow for intricate details. The automatic 25-point bed leveling system creates a detailed mesh of your build surface, ensuring perfect first layer adhesion across the entire bed, even if the surface isn't perfectly flat. The magnetic flexible build plate provides excellent adhesion during printing and easy part removal afterward. The sturdy frame construction with dual Z-axis lead screws ensures the gantry moves smoothly and consistently without wobble that creates layer inconsistencies. Anycubic's proprietary slicer software or compatibility with popular alternatives like Cura provides detailed control over every print parameter. The filament runout sensor prevents failed prints from material running out mid-job. The resume printing function saves your progress during power outages. The relatively compact build volume focuses the printer's capabilities on precision rather than size. At approximately $400 to $500 for the combo package, the Kobra S1 delivers precision capabilities that compete with printers costing twice as much, making it an exceptional value for users prioritizing detail over build volume. Number 3, Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. Best for Beginners earns the Best for Beginners title by delivering a printing experience so intuitive and reliable that first-time users can achieve professional results within hours of unboxing, eliminating the steep learning curve that traditionally intimidated newcomers to 3D printing. Bambu Lab revolutionized the hobby by recognizing that most people want to create things, not tinker with printer maintenance, and the A1 Mini embodies that philosophy perfectly. The compact design fits easily on desks or shelves without dominating your workspace, yet the build volume handles the vast majority of projects most users will attempt. Setup takes literally minutes. Unbox, remove a few protective materials, load filament, and start printing. The automatic bed leveling happens automatically before every print, ensuring perfect first layers without manual adjustment. The auto-calibration system handles flow rate, pressure advance, and vibration compensation without requiring users to understand what those terms mean. Bambu's proprietary slicer software is remarkably beginner-friendly with pre-configured profiles for common materials and simple sliders adjusting quality versus speed. The multicolor capability through the AMS light unit allows printing with up to 4 colors automatically, creating visually striking models that would require manual intervention on other printers. The enclosed design maintains temperature consistency while providing a safety barrier, important for households with children or pets. The built-in camera allows monitoring prints remotely through your smartphone. The silent operation means you can run prints overnight without disturbing your household. What makes the A1 Mini special is the vast library of pre-sliced models in Bambu's ecosystem optimized specifically for this printer, meaning beginners can download and print immediately without learning slicing software. At approximately $300 to $450 for the combo with AMS Lite, the A1 Mini represents the lowest barrier to entry for quality 3D printing available today. Number 2, Creality K1 SE 2024 version, best budget, by delivering speeds and features that were considered high-end just 2 years ago at a price point that makes quality 3D printing accessible to anyone, proving that budget doesn't mean compromise when manufacturers prioritize smart engineering over marketing premiums. This printer represents the democratization of advanced 3D printing technology. The K1 SE features Core XY kinematics, the same motion system used in printers costing thousands more, enabling print speeds up to 600 millimeters that dramatically reduce printing time compared to traditional bedslinger designs. What once took 8 hours now completes in 3 to 4 hours, without sacrificing quality through Creality's input shaping and pressure advance algorithms that compensate for the forces involved in high-speed direction changes. The direct drive extruder provides precise filament control necessary for detailed prints and enables printing flexible materials like TPU that fail on Bowden tube systems. The all-metal hot end reaches temperatures suitable for engineering materials while maintaining consistency. The auto-leveling system uses a strain gauge sensor that's more reliable than traditional probe methods, ensuring perfect first layers. The enclosed design maintains ambient temperature crucial for printing materials prone to warping. The removable, flexible build plate provides excellent adhesion and easy part removal. The color touchscreen interface is intuitive with clear menus and responsive controls. Wi-Fi connectivity allows sending prints wirelessly and monitoring progress remotely. The resume print function saves your work during power outages. What makes the K1 SE remarkable is delivering all these features: Core XY motion, high speeds, direct drive, auto-leveling, enclosure at around $280 to $350, a price where competitors offer only basic bed slingers with manual leveling and slower speeds. For beginners on tight budgets or experienced users wanting a reliable workhorse without premium pricing, the K1 SE represents exceptional value. Number 1. Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra 16K Best Resin 3D Printer, earning the Best Resin 3D Printer title by delivering resolution and detail quality that seemed impossible just a few years ago, while maintaining reliability and ease of use that makes resin printing accessible beyond hardcore enthusiasts and professionals. This printer represents the pinnacle of consumer resin printing technology in 2025. The 16K mono LCD screen achieves pixel density so high that individual layer lines become virtually invisible to the naked eye, creating prints with surface quality that appears injection molded rather than 3D printed. This resolution transforms applications. Miniatures have facial expressions and texture details that painting brings to life. Jewelry prototypes capture intricate filigree and stone settings accurately. Dental models achieve the precision required for actual medical use, and engineering prototypes show surface finishes that communicate design intent clearly. The large 218.88 x 122.88 x 280 mm build volume accommodates substantial projects while maintaining that incredible resolution across the entire build area. The 12K mono screen's faster exposure times compared to older RGB screens mean prints complete in hours rather than overnight, and the screen's rated lifespan extends to thousands of hours of printing. Elegoo's matrix parallel light source ensures even curing across the entire build platform, eliminating the edge softness problems that plagued earlier resin printers. The Fresnel collimating lens system focuses light precisely, improving XY resolution and reducing light bleed that causes loss of fine detail. The sturdy construction with dual linear rails on the Z-axis ensures stable, consistent layer heights throughout tall prints. The 10-inch touchscreen interface provides clear controls and real-time print monitoring. The activated carbon air filter system significantly reduces the characteristic resin odor, making the printer viable for home use rather than requiring garage or workshop ventilation. At approximately $500 to $600, the Saturn 4 Ultra delivers professional-grade resin printing at prosumer pricing, making incredibly detailed printing accessible to anyone.